we should start, or I should wait for 1 minute maximum? So 14 we can see right now.
Yeah.
Everybody is unmuted. Those who have kept the persons going, coming. Romana Ravi from Sri Lanka. Is it audible?
I think she has to
respond. Yes.
Unmute.
Unmuted to all. She has.
No, I think she has to join on her this thing. Join with computer audio is there, or phone audio. That option
please,
they should enable.
Please open your mute because I have kept in unmuted form. So anything, if it is there, it is their own part.
Exactly.
Mr. Sunil Jain has joined just now. Ayush, Shruti, Naresh.
Hello.
I think that we should begin now.
Yeah.
This is our first interactions on this club. So I don't know that how many, but we have the limitation. We can go up to any timings, though we have given 1 hour, but we can go for 24 hours booking we have taken all around in this month. I have brought some presentation with me. Again, I am unmuting all. Yes, Ayush. Ayush Khetan has joined from Mumbai. Amol.
Yes, sir.
Voice is audible?
You're audible to me, Karna.
Yeah, audible.
I think I should start now. Okay?
Yeah.
With the kind of permission.
Yes,
so one by one, we will give the introduction, or I will give the presentation. Thereafter, during interactions, the presentation will introduction will begin. So I will give my presentation first, and thereafter we'll have the interactions. And during the interactions, we will give these introductions accordingly. You see, this meeting, I'm welcoming you all. The Corona COVID-19 crisis globally, it is there. We, the packaging professionals, always we are contributing to the industry directly or indirectly. I have got a few queries also. We would like to do collectively some assignments also, some innovations also, some proposals also. So we will have to act in the association, and in that association, what can be the suitable for the society, for the country, for the profession, everywhere we have to do it. So let's begin with this. I'm going for the sharing of the screen. Please see this. I'm making you the presentation right now. Whosoever will come, they can join, they can see. Now, we have got from these activities of the club and the way forward. This is our main mission. And with this mission, we would like to have the objective, how to make our club internationally. We will have to reach to the industry. And the second objective, we have the packaging professionals, the networking, how to grow ourselves, the packaging professionals, what we can do during this, and the selection of area representatives. And as per the need during the meeting, what we have to do it. So these are few objectives what we have, and with this we will go with this. Let me say about me first, introductions. My professional journey with Mr. Venkat Subramaniam started in 1985. 27 years I am having. I will experience with IIP. That is our temple where we have got everything. And thereafter I have started one institute called Clinic, PCRI. And I am the founder for this organization, and the club also we have started. I have got the UNDP fellowship in the field of this, the packaging from Odia, UK, Germany, all these I have. I have started one institute, IOP, for my state Bihar in association with Bihar Vidyapeeth. It is being established for the contribution of Bihar state, because it is adjourned to Nepal, Bangladesh, and all these areas, the institute, there is a great need. And we thought that why not the PCRI, and Bihar Vidyapeeth will have IOP. And I'm also the founder advisor, IIT Roorkee in 2014, started the MTech course first time in Asia. And I was the visiting faculty for them. Now I'm not the visiting faculty, but I'm advisor for them. I was also European Union consultant for Chhattisgarh herbal products, what we have. Then associated with the many organizations in my 35 years in my professional career. I have established one of the lead. I have been given the assignment to establish the IIP Regional Center Hyderabad, and conducting ITC, the UNIDO one program, ITC program I have conducted for the agri-business sector, the PAC kit, and compiled the India Profile book. And India Profile book, it is there for ITC packet program for the fruits and vegetable industry. ITC Junior means I was also consultant for Ethiopian flower industry, then the Bangladesh, and the short-term training programs we have started for this one. Many means in my IIP and PCRI, with this we have started. And then international consultant for Saudi Arabia for biscuit and confectionery industry. And I was the ex-president of IIP Aluminium. And in that you should have the packaging club. We have the Facebook and LinkedIn club, what the packaging club, it is there. In that if you'll go, it is the resource of the communications, where all packaging suppliers, users will assemble, and it will be the interactions to understand the packaging. And that was for the packaging club. Please keep under mute. So that way it is the club. It is also known for the pickup. It means that the packaging suppliers and users, a platform for the what the user industry and the supplier industry. There, our goal is that the global packaging professionals should have the one platform to interact. And with these interactions, you will be happy to note that you see that we have got September 4, 2012, this group has been established in Facebook, and at present we have the member more than 22,000. 22,200 we have. We have the admin, Mr. Hari Narayan is also there, and we have the 6,800 members from 170 countries in the LinkedIn. Very professional group, and with that professional group it is there. Now coming back here, this is the logo of the PCRI and the packaging club. In that we have got 28,000 members across 170 countries to interact on this. You will have to see that I am expressing my sincere thanks to the Facebook and LinkedIn. Because of the Facebook and LinkedIn, we are meeting. And so that the Facebook and LinkedIn, they deserve the special thanks for that. Look, in order to go that, this is what we have done it. We have done it that how to influence our members. Members, in that we have done that, please post your informations. And in that, the Miss Categories Appreciation Award. In 1 year, we are giving the 4 awards to our members. The packaging club members can avail the award just for the promotion of the packaging science. And in that following categories, what we have, the packaging appreciation award, the packaging technology discussions, then we have the job. Job also, the number of companies giving the job. And in that, they are giving the ad, and our members are being benefited, and some of the suppliers, manufacturers, and they are with this. And we are also having the machinery innovations. Many companies from Japan, India, every day we are receiving the post, and some unique innovations coming in the machinery, and there we are giving in our packaging club. So all together, the packaging innovations for the materials and conversion, all these informations we are giving, and with these informations we are giving this regular post, and we are keeping iWatch from January 1 to December 31st. So 365 days, every member is under watch by the members, and in that member they are giving the information, the packaging technology, a packaging job, a packaging machinery innovations, and after that the material conversions. All these discussions are happening, and with this we are giving it being the packaging appreciation award. No Miss Cash award, only certificate, and in that certificate it is being given on the 24th March every year. So that the work from the January 1 to December 31st, whatever the means post, it is being given regularly in the interest of the organization club and the interest of the members. We are giving the packaging appreciation award. And in that award, you will get to know that Mr. Sandeep Goyal had got this award, my classmate, in 2014, because he has given the number of the valuable informations in our group, and our group members have been benefited. So that club thought that we should give him the packaging appreciation award in 2014. So you can see this certificate. Now you can see that very interesting. Today morning I have come to know, I have given in my Miss Club also for the informations. In the last 28 days, you can see that the club has got the member, 16,000 member from India, 800, more than 800 from China, United Arab Emirates, Pakistan, Nigeria, United States, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia. So we have got 100 list we have in this, but there are the members we have counted more than 170 countries. You will be happy to note that in the last 28 days, 22,000 members, in that 11,454 members are very active. So they will not give the like or any comment, but they watch. So Facebook has noted down that 11,000 members are active in this group. They may remain silent. Silent does not mean that they are not being benefited. So the group is internally, that data it has come to me. Sometimes it was coming to me that this club is having no reactions. But no, there is a reactions, the silent reactions. And silent reactions, it is not my chart. It is a chart given by the Facebook, can say you that when you have visited, what information you have hit this. And I am very much happy to see that. You can see here that most of the access, it is being done from the Mumbai, the city versus members. How many members we got it? You can see from this Kolkata 340 members, from Dubai 306 members in 28 days. Aurangabad, Nagpur, and Surat, Baroda, so many, China, Lahore, Pakistan, Lagos, Nigeria. Nigeria, we have 157. Pakistan, 136. And the member what we have, the Pakistan, you can see here, that is quite big number of this. The Pakistan, 319 numbers we have, the friends. So packaging club is basically the vibrant club right now. I was knowing that, okay, silent it is happening. But this has encouraged me, my dear friends. And if you go through this, then what it is called the club? You have got Interpack, we have got so many exhibitions. But I feel that this club is an e-exhibition, 24 hours running. All informations going on. Every day, on an average, the 6 to 7 posts are being exercised. So you can say that packaging club is the e-exhibitions ground. No, means you can visit the several exhibitions, but here it is happening. You can see that every post are being filtered. Some of the abusive posts are also coming. We are not allowing, because we'll have to keep eye watch what is happening. And in that way, you can see medium we have kept only English. No other languages we will encourage, because we don't know. Somebody may say that the translation will be the additional operation. So if you are interested to do the posting, please post only English. We are not encouraging any language, but it is the need to understand the language is the English. Some of my Chinese friends, they are giving the Chinese language, Japanese language, it is unable to understand. I have requested them, and I am not allowing any post to release. So please be noted that if it is there in any other language, we will not encourage. And you can see that repeat posts and non-related posts are not being encouraged in this group. Only related to the packaging, that's the filter, the means, and in that you will have to see. Why it is this objective? We are working for the promotion of our industry. You will be surprised to know that I am coming in my next slide, that what is happening. Our profession is not being popular among the people. You can see here, our objective is to promote our professions. We need to promote our industry, our profession, our professionals. Our professionals must be promoted and recognized. You can see here that Facebook Achiever 2014, and there, the first award we have given to that Brazil friend, Esteban Anton. Esteban Anton is the very vibrant writer. You please visit his website, Google his name. All technical information related to the packaging, it will be there. So first time it has been introduced, the Packaging Appreciation Award in the 2011. We are in the 2020. Seriousness is there in our profession. Dedication is there in our profession. And with these dedications, we will have to see that we have also contributed what? You will be surprised to know that in 2013, we have got 1,111 slogans, packaging slogans, from 101 members from 88 countries in 2013 in our LinkedIn. But technology means we were not advanced. Some of the data has been misplaced in the website itself, in the LinkedIn group itself. We were supposed to make a book on this, and book for the industry. 1,111 packaging slogans, very good slogans are there. I am assuring you on behalf of the club, That book will contain 1,111 slogans, and that slogans will be of the many experts. Name has been interchanged, so somehow contradiction may happen that this was my slogan, that was my slogan. So slogan will be there, but name may not be there. We will see how the best we can. So that we are going to have this. As you know that 9th World Packaging Day we have celebrated, the club is celebrating. This was the initiation of IAP alumni in 2012 to have the March 24. Why March 24? Because our profession is working 24 hours. 24 hours marching. And that was the 9th celebration we have done, though it was during the lockdown period. But we have celebrated electronically and at our home. All packaging professionals have celebrated. Good seminars happened. You can see the 2012, a lot of the packaging professionals doing the packaging walk. This is the society where the people will know our profession. Otherwise, it is nobody is recognizing our profession. I will come to know. This is there. You can see that few photographs I have collected from the Hari Narayan's Facebook page right now. It has been given that we were in the 2012, how we were sincere about this, and 9th celebration we have done it. Dear friends, now the seriousness, it is there. My objective, the seriousness of my presentation. We all know I am not here to give any presentation. The technical presentation I'm not giving. But I would like to have the kind attention of you all. There is a role, active role we will have to play. Lifeline of food and pharma. Even the life-saving goods are being protected by the packaging. Not a single life-saving drugs can survive without the packaging. You can see in this corona, COVID-19, inside the product, there is no problem. But the droplet problems, outer of the cover, there is a problem. So we have given that stay home, stay PSCKED, stay packed, stay safe. The packaging protects. As long as we are under this cover, we don't have any problem. We, the packaging professionals, are the backbone of many products, many industries. No packaging, no value of any product. Now the point is that we feel that the first handshake, the packaging is the first handshake of the consumer and to the product. Here is the issue. During the supply chain, there is a transfer of this virus. Then what will happen? No handshake, no direct touch. Now my next slide, it is there, that COVID-19, what we can contribute. Vaccines are being prepared, means being identified. Work, it is going on. The last leg of the product will be the packaging, for sure. We will do that. But at the same time, what will be our role at present? Demand will rise sharply for the grocery items, healthcare items, e-commerce transportations. There we will have to play the active role. Novel coronavirus has the minimal viability, and the packaging companies should focus customer and end customer, consumers. For what? Compatible, cost-effective and sustainable substrate. But the point is that virus survival rates varied from the 24 hours to 72 hours. Many thought, I have read in the journal, droplets at the corrugated box can stay 12 hours. Somebody is saying 24 hours. Multi-head, multi-journals have been saying that it can happen. And where is stated it can be there. The 12 hours to 72 hours, and that too on the substrate, the plastic and the stainless steel. Here is the problem. The packaging inside, there is no problem. Packaging outside, there is a problem. We don't know coronavirus just now, what can be the remedy, but the precautions will be there. We will have to live our life with the corona. But how it has to be protected, that has to be taken care on this. But I would like to tell you that we need to have the International Packaging Club. It is not only this club, the means, and a struggle will be there. We are the packaging warriors. I have the common attention you. For us at present right now, Mr. Ayush Khaitan, we are going to speak, have the discussion with him. See, look at me. I am here, sitting on the bed, corrugated board. In Hyderabad, there is a company called Khaitan Corrugates Private Limited. They have come out with this economical and very effective. And PCRI is doing the validation on this. My weight is 100 kg. So 100 kg, I was sitting, I'm sitting on this board. And there you can see here, this board can sustain the load of 250 kg without any damage. Work it is going on. We, the packaging professionals, are ready to contribute. I would like to say Mr. Ayush Khaitan to speak something. Mr. Ayush Khaitan,
Yes,
from
sir.
the Khaitan Corrugates, he is having the automatic plant in Hyderabad and in Mumbai. He has made this, it is
Hello.
called as a Koru bed. And very economical. Already one company in Gujarat somewhere they have made, but he has made a special and very economical. So right now he is there from Mumbai. Mr. Ayush, please speak on your board and this
Yes, sir.
Koru bed.
Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Ayush Khaitan here from Khaitan Corrugates. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So basically, our team at our Hyderabad plant has developed this bed, which is made out of high-strength corrugated board. So during this quarantine and lockdown, lot of companies are shut. So our team had some time to do some research and R&D. So they made few samples, they tried and tested it, and then we came to Karna sir for his suggestions and how he can help us improve the product. And he had given some points on which we have worked, and we have validated at the PCRI lab. And so this product is basically made out of high strength corrugated paper. So as per WHO, this particular, there is the virus COVID-19 stays like 12 hours to 24 hours on paper, as compared to other substrate like metal and plastic, where it stays for almost 4 days. So we thought that it is a good option right now during this quarantine to provide the government and NGOs and everyone with disposable bed, which can be used for almost 4 to 5 months, can hold up to 250 kg, can be disinfected because we have applied a coat. So a small sanitization can be done through sanitizers or disinfectant. And we believe it is a great option for small hospital beds. So in rural areas as well, it will be a great option because it is as cheap as 1200 rupees and can last for 5 months, which in comparison to other metal beds, the cheapest metal beds, those also last for around 6-7 months, but they are as expensive as 2000 rupees. And also the risk of COVID-19 in current times is much higher on a metal bed as compared to a corrugated cardboard bed made from paper. Also, it can be easily disposed, maybe repulped or can be burnt, and no harmful gases are released. So we believe it is a great product for current day and time, and also maybe in future with some more working on it.
sincerely appeal you all to give him the big clapping that he has used his time the best to contribute this crisis in a good way, that in 1200 rupees one bed. Thank you very much, Ayush. Your
So it
work is
also goes,
really incredible.
our team has worked really well on that. So it is to the whole Korukes team who has worked towards it,
Yes, yes. Thank you.
and also Karna sir for helping us out.
It's okay, it's here. So I appeal you all that you can have this, and within 2-3 days, validated report can be there before the industry and the concerned government authorities and the medical councils, whosoever will be the legal opinion, it will be asked, and then it will be practical use of this. It is under the analysis right now going on. What we are doing, that we are doing that ambient conditions and the worst conditions, accelerated conditions. Under the worst conditions, what will be the mechanical properties, and ambient condition, what is that? So that analysis we are doing right now, and then we will reveal. So some work it is going on. So thank you very much, Ayush, for this. Now I'm coming for the next one. You can see here, Corona warriors. Corona warriors everywhere. You visit website covidwarriors.go.in. In our country, 12.5 million Corona warriors. Where are the packaging warriors? We have the doctors, the students, nurses, transportations, Ayush, and everything is there. Packaging is everywhere. We are not the front warriors. We will have to promote ourselves that we, the packaging professionals, always there. Look, any medicine cannot come without packaging. Food items, every items. I have written that we are also the packaging means Corona warriors, contributing for the betterment in every area. Though packaging is coming under the essential goods, we are rendering the services. But under the transportations, under some head, we would like to have the independent head on this, the packaging professionals. So these are the things I wanted to before on this. And then I would like to give you a special thanks to everyone for joining. Now that we will have this, we will go for this one. Interaction session right now. This was my presentation in total. I would like to tell you that I was expecting many people, 30 people, but it is coming only 18 people. So doesn't mean no problem, because I was thinking that one speaker and one listener is sufficient to begin. But I have the 18 people right now. So now the floor is open to interact. It is completely unmuted to all. Please unmute yourself from my side as I hope. So I have just unmuted all. I would like to have the question answers, anything it is there, because we would like to have the team formations very shortly. I am having the interactions with Philippines regularly. Philippines people, they could not come with the timings. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, UK, US, Canada, all Nigeria, all of them, there will be country head. And we would go for the means city head, also the packaging club, who is heading the center, who is heading the state. So in that we will make this, we will appeal that our profession has to promote our profession. So now that floor is open. Please interact yourself and please unmute yourself. I have unmuted. There is no undermute from my side.
Thank you, sir. This is Hari Narayan Patel for all of others to know. I have joined this call from Pune, and currently I'm working as regional packaging engineer for Jeevadan, one of the Swiss multinational company. And Karna sir is my mentor. So this one line is enough. I have worked with Karna sir when in IP Hyderabad. So whatever I do in packaging, I call Karna sir and seek his guidance, and he is available for 24 by 7, as he said. And I was very much part of the World Packaging Day team, as Karna sir has explained, 24 hours march. So that's how 24 march, what packaging generally does. So thank you, sir, for taking us through with a nice presentation and the current happenings in the packaging club and future endeavors. And I'm also proud member and admin of the Facebook packaging club group. So thank you, sir.
Now, one by one, you may introduce and you can say your contributions, suggestions during this COVID-19 and the packaging club, how it can be enhanced.
Thank you. I'm Sri from Sri Lanka, from MG Printers. I like a great presentation, and I like to suggest if you can come up with that task for 12 hours, 2 hours, some kind of a package, antivirus. I think that is better. All the they come up with the paint that you apply, it's antivirus coating.
You see that it has to be authenticated. Any quote it has come, the reactions, the chain study, it has to be authenticated. The virus killing is still not known, means indirectly. So whatever it is there, it is on the basis of the assumptions. And on the basis of assumptions, we will not reach to the conclusion. You can see that one of my fellow has asked that, look, milk I am using every day. What kind of the coating it can be done? Corona free, one question I have received from Niti Aayog representative, that can you make the corona free packaging? I have expressed that I don't know corona first. Yet to know what kind of the coating be suitable. What is the reactions it is there? We cannot say that this coat you apply. As many doctors from the different professions, they say, I can give you this medicine, it can be. But it is the risk. It has to be validated. On that basis, we can. So I have told for the milk, once you get the milk at your home, don't use immediately. Put into the sanitizers. Sanitizer, at least you can be ensuring. But once we can go in the sanitized coating also, sometimes it has to be there, we don't know. They are saying that through the hand, mouth, nose, eyes, and it retained for the so many hours. So, yes, I appreciate your concern, but it has to be validated.
Thank you.
And what the contribution would you like to say for the packaging club?
I like to join your club immediately.
Already you are the member?
No, I'm not a member.
Oh, so please join.
I saw this, your message on the Zoom connection today, and I just joined for first. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. It is the first meeting ever we have. The first, though this organization is 9 years old, the packaging club, 9 years, almost 10 years, but the first interaction happening with this. What next? Yeah,
I'll be joining immediately.
Yeah, sure. Welcome, welcome.
Yeah, good evening all. My name is Venkat. I am Venkata Subramanian. I am from Chennai. And I have pleasure in saying that we studied together, myself and PK Karna. I am also from the first batch of the postgraduate course in packaging. And I have worked for about 28 years in corporate packaging in different companies, Unilever, Sara Lee, Kevin Care, Imami, Ricky Benkaiser, and since 2015, I'm on my own. I consult companies diverse as engineering, FMCG, OTC, pharma, automotive. Thank you so much, Karna. It's great to see you, and your passion for packaging is fabulous. I hope it rubs off many of the packaging professionals. In fact, I think when I met you about a couple of years back, your enthusiasm is amazing. So I hope you have rubbed some 1% of your enthusiasm on me, and I hope to rub it on some of the other packaging professionals and see what best we can do for promoting the packaging professionals. Making the packaging professionals recognized, making packaging professional almost as equivalent to management education person or a IIT educated person. So packaging is equally important. It is, as you said correctly, it is one aspect which touches every aspect of life. Every category of product requires a packaging. The only challenge for us is, obviously packaging cannot be avoided. The challenge for us is how to make this packaging sustainable, environment friendly, and more so in current situations, and maybe beyond COVID, where I believe a lot of hygienic practices are going to change in India. People are going to use masks for another maybe 1 year, 2 years, whatever. It's going to be a regular practice. People are going to use sanitizers. People are going to use gloves or whatever. So how as qualified packaging professionals and how as packaging entrepreneurs, there is a good opportunity done by Mr. Ayush. There is a fantastic opportunity to contribute to the sustainable packaging. I think people are going to look in packaging very, very seriously as to, this is not, we don't want to spoil. Already there is a lot of issues like COVID and all. We don't want to spoil it any further. So the attitude towards the use of packaging is going to change, I think. So it's in our hands to develop jointly with entrepreneurs, and then the students should packaging graduates can help them, and then guys like Karna can help them. So it's a nice challenge, and channelizing it through a formal forum like Packaging Club is also welcome. So all the best, and fabulous to be present in this meeting and meeting you all. Thank you.
Now I would like thank you, Venkat. Your suggestions, your encouragement, really appreciable, and we will work forward for the betterment of this profession. I am looking forward to hear from Mr. Suneet Jain now. He's also that corrugated box maker. The name of the company is PD Fluted. Mr. Suneet Jain.
Good afternoon, everyone. As Mr. Karna said, I am audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah. As Mr. Karna said, that I am into corrugated box manufacturing, mainly e-fruit boxes with multicolor printing, lamination, foiling. And I am also narrow foot boxes. And I am associated with Karna, I think, when he started his IIP in Hyderabad. I think our association, my association with Mr. Karna is from that day. And also take some classes whenever he is conducting courses. So I am there and helping him out. And my suggestion for this club is that packaging actually is it is a very fast changing line nowadays. Initially, what happened when the packaging industry started, mainly corrugated industry, from 1950 to 80 onward, we were all into semi-automatic plant, and the process was very simple and in a straight line. Nobody had ever thought that how we can put some input in this industry so that the quality and quantity will increase. it never happened, but over the period of time, what we have seen since 2008 onwards, the packaging industry, especially corrugated boxes related to B fruit, A fruit, and C fruit, the industry has changed a lot. People have started moving from semi-automatic plant to automatic plant. But I have one question regarding what we when we go for to a customer and he point blankly says that no, I want a product from a automatic plant. Was it that from 1950 or before that till late 2001 to late 2000 we were doing automatic plant? No, we were all going through a semi-automatic process only, and the boxes which were coming out of the semi-automatic plant were as what you are seeing in the automatic plant today. But yes, we have stopped the process required during different process of manufacturing. We started cutting that process. So deterioration of the product started becoming very fast. The box quality started deteriorating very fast. But I will also say at this point that during this period, initially the kind of workforce what we used to get and the workforce what we are getting, it is totally different. People are interested only in I want
Yes. I do say that this matter, Sunit ji, it needs to have the interactions between the supplier and this converters, the automatic plant versus semi-automatic plant versus the good corrugated box and the cost. Good means good corrugated box can be made by automatic plant also, semi-automatic plant also. Automizations and non-automizations.
Yeah.
But with respect to the quality and cost, it matters, and it needs to have the discussion, and we will organize one day seminar on this. The means what is the quality versus cost with respect to automatic and semi-automatic plant. With this, I would like to move to Mr. Naresh Reddy. Mr. Naresh Reddy, can you open? Naresh Reddy or Romana Ravi?
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Very good
From
evening.
Colombo, Sri Lanka.
Uh,
I'm working for my company, the Exxon Energy International. We are also into packaging, printing, publishing. So I just, first of all, I want to thank your presentation. It's an excellent presentation, sir. Then I would like to join your club.
yes,
First
please.
time I heard about your club, and I just joined the club, and my membership is still pending.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we will just see that. We could not.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then I'm just, so I would like to see more of your packaging club, and I'm going to follow up the packaging club activities and the objectives.
That's great. Thank you. And now I would like to request Mr. Naresh once again. Naresh Reddy, now it has gone. Then Ravinder Gupta. Ravinder Gupta ji. Ayush, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, Ayush, would you like to say something?
Yeah, so actually I would also like to share, I have some small presentation on how there are few steps that we are taking nowadays in the COVID age. What are the new standard norms, how we are operating at our factory. So if I can share that, it's a small
please.
2-minute video, but
Please.
I don't have the access to share content on this.
Please access, you can access.
Okay. Only host can share in this meeting. So if I could get, I have a small 2-minute video It will show what are the new norms or steps that we are following.
Okay. Meanwhile, I just opened this link. I'll have to open it. Meanwhile, we would like to have this. We have Mr. Vivek. Vivek.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
From Dubai and held up in Patna. Is it?
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Karna sir. Actually, I am Vivek and working with Gulf Processing Industries, one of a leading FMCG company in Dubai. And right now I am in Patna, and in this tough situation, I am helping my company members because I'm looking after packaging development and procurement too. So it is a tough time for me because all the packaging procurement is looking by me. So in this situation, I'm working from here. I'm working from home right now and helping my company that there is no shortage of anything like that should happen at this situation. Moving after for the marketing of our packaging club, I have something to tell. I have prepared something, and I have a plan out also, which I will share with you, Karna sir, later, which we can also discuss, and you can suggest what should we do later on. The thing is, like, we should go for the email marketing. I mean, like, the packaging club has many articles. So the articles, for example, Mr. Ayush has done a tremendous development for the corrugated bed, you can say. But this thing we need to this information we need to pass to the hospitals and the one who will use this one. For this, we need to have an email marketing. Like what Ayush has done, the packaging club will send a newsletter or a email something to a list of hospitals across the India, so that at least they will come to know. Many developments are being done, but they are not being promoted. So this we can done. Even I can do this on a weekly basis. That I can do a email marketing, which will help a lot, and even the people will come to know about the packaging club. So this is a small example I told you. So we can work more on the digital marketing, because most of the people, 75 to 80% people, are on the digital marketing. They're looking after mobiles. No one is looking after the TV advertisement right now. So we have to work closely with the digital marketing, so that the packaging club and our packaging profession can be more marketed. Moreover, we need to write a blog also for the packaging club, because the number of blogs, if we will have a number of blogs, number of articles on a packaging club, then Google will start optimizing the search engine. For example, if anyone types on a Google that what is corrugated box, then for me, as a packaging club member, only packaging club on the first page, packaging club link should come, so that packaging club will get more popular. So these are the things which I have also prepared, and I'll share with you, so that we can work together to make it more marketed.
We will be happy to receive your suggestions. Sure, we will go for the young generation, will motivate and to guide in the interest of the packaging club. It has to be digital marketing. And in line with this, the good work of Ayush, it is still under the validation conditions. And once it will be validated, it will be presented in our club. And with this, the marketing will begin. And we will submit to the government of India. This is our contribution in the interest of the COVID-19, and look that the 1200, it is very economical, and the life is 4 or 5 months. So on that, once it will be validated, we will go there. And in line with this, objective of the meeting was there to have the teamwork. The packaging club is not having the team. We are working as an admin and moderator, that's all. So we have, it is the first initial step, and where we will go. Now, with this, I will request my next friend, Mr. Amol. Amol, is it, Mr. Amol? Is it audible to you? Mr. Amol? Okay. Then I see the name, Ms. Poonam. Poonam is the technical officer with IIP. So I request Ms. Poonam, please share your ideas. She is the member of Ms. Club since beginning and the technical officer of IIP.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Karna sir.
Very good evening.
Privileged to be here on this platform and listen to you, because I guess that I joined IIT in a very short while. You left for a very good cause and which you have made, and I'm seriously following you since day one. You have opened up in the Facebook page, and it's very happy, and I feel so proud to see you growing so nicely. And I can see, means in my office we discuss every whenever you post a new page on a Facebook page, we discuss that Sarna sir has left this IIT and he has reached to such a good position, and he's doing so great for the packaging. And whenever you do, like you start, whatever you start, we follow you. That is the main thing I want to say. So it's a very good to see them. And regarding this club, I really get a lot of good information, and which I follow, and I share if someone needs it. And for you, I think more than suggestion, I am the one who is following you, so I can't suggest you something. But yes, I take a lot of learning from you, your club, and you. So I wish you all the best, and like you to continue, sir, like this, and reach your goal. And then one more thing, sir, I really feel so proud and happy that you have that love for your state. You have started that institute over there, and you keep coming for Mithila Samaj, and I feel really very happy for you, sir.
Yes. You see that our country is the it is called as the country of sanskar. The cultivation, it is there. As we say, India is agriculture, means agricultural country. India is also the country of good sanskar. And in that, we will have to do a lot of things for our country. The packaging profession, how we can. I have written to Prime Minister also. I used to write that the packaging profession is one of the best profession. You will have to acknowledge us. And it's my appeal that I have not left IIP as a job, means okay, I have left as an employee, but I'm closely attached with IIP in a sense that IIP is our mandir, temple, where we have learned. IIP has given us the confidence to have the many institutions like PCRI. India needs to have the 100 PCRI, small organizations like us. And IIP should affiliate us. We should write that the PCRI affiliated by IIP. Big umbrella. This is our vision. As like the AIMS we are only the referral hospitals. So a small, it will contribute to the nation. So I'm expressing sincere thanks to Poonam, that says there. Now I will appeal Mr. Ravindra Kumar once again. Mr. Yogesh, it is unmuted. I have unmuted everyone. Anyone? Mr. Ayush Agrawal? Amol? Shaila Shri? Ayush Agrawal?
Yeah, very good. Good evening, sir. Sorry for joining a bit late.
Yes.
And happy to see very senior alums and veterans like you, Venkat sir, Hari sir, and all other packaging professionals in place. So, and sir, it was really like good to hear from you. Like every time you mentioned that Indian Soda Packaging is a temple, and obviously there are requirements in this country for institutes like Packaging Clinic and Research, and for like people like you to take this packaging profession forward in India. And it is also heartening to see that you have tied up with Bihar with their Pete also in like last year to set up a packaging institute there. Many
yes.
Congratulations, sir, and all the best.
Yes. So anyone would like to say something, please say. If it is not, we will conclude this with a good remark that we have got the attendance only 18 people. Right now we have 15. Attendance was very less as expected. 30 people should be there, but nevertheless, it's good people. That the 18, the quality, whatever we have, and it is the foundation for our the historical moment. It is the moment for the history right now. It has been framed, and with this, you all are the founder member now for the packaging club, because it is the first meeting ever, and it is on record going on.
Yes, sir.
So recording it is happening. So I'll keep in my club the video channel and everything. It will be there. I have placed my Facebook live also. I don't know. I'm not well educated in the electronic system, but I've learned a lot, and on that basis I can utilize. Now, Miss, coming back with this, that very recently we are going to form a group, the city head and country head. And under this city head and the country head, we have got 4 or 5 countries interested. Philippines, they have Miss voluntarily they have expressed. Pakistan, Mr. Nawaz Khan. Then Abdul from Bangladesh, from Nepal. Then we have got from UK. All 6-7 countries, they have expressed that they are interested to become the head of the country for the packaging club. Now that in India, we will go for the city wise. And as I have seen that the seat, you can see that number of. We would like to have the energetic, dedicated, and in that we will have to say with our flag that the packaging profession is the highest and good profession. There is one word it is being called that in Urdu, जब अव्वल और आखिरी खुदा है, means God is from the beginning to last, then who is away from the God? Similarly, in our case, packaging, we live with the packaging and we will live this world with the packaging. The packaging is every time, from birth to death, every time the packaging is there and our profession is alive. Thank you very much and good luck to everyone. We will meet, sure. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye all. Take care, everybody.
Thank you.
Stay safe, stay at home.
Stay well packed and stay safe. Okay, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Good luck.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.